Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download historical crypto prices from Coinbase for analytics. Quick tutorials. Navigate to the Coinbase website. Log into your Coinbase account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the Assets section on the main dashboard. Select the cryptocurrency for which you want to download historical prices. Click on the cryptocurrency to open its dedicated page. Look for the Trade button, usually found near the top right corner. On the Trade page, find the option that says Chart or Price History. Click on this option to access the price chart for the selected cryptocurrency. In the chart view, locate the time frame settings. Choose the desired time range for historical data, such as 1 month, 3 months, or a custom date range. After adjusting the time frame, look for an export or download option, often represented by an icon or text. Click on this option to download the data. Select your preferred file format, such as CSV or Excel. Confirm your selection to start the download process. Once the download is complete, navigate to your computer's Downloads folder. Open the downloaded file using a compatible software, like Excel or Google Sheets. Now you can analyze the historical crypto prices as needed. Make sure to save your work in a separate file for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and after signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.